Welcome back. This morning, an alarming trend seems to be emerging when it comes to suicide deaths among older adults.
And a new initiative aims to prevent people from dying by suicide through education and through resources to intervene. Our Stephanie Valderrama joins us now with more.
This initiative is a partnership between the Hanley Foundation, the Southeast Florida Behavioral Health Network, and the State Department of Children and Families. They say it takes a group effort to prevent these types of deaths, and it's really important to reach these vulnerable people before it's too late. I spoke with Alli Jimenez with Hanley Foundation. She says their research shows a decrease in deaths by suicide among young people. Now, to her, that's an indication efforts to address the youth mental health crisis are working. But their research shows rates have increased among people 35 and older, and suicide deaths are rising at much faster rates among people 55 to 64. She believes the cost of living and housing crisis are two of the biggest factors in this alarming trend.
One of the biggest indicators of, mental well-being is financial stability, employment, the ability to live and have your basic needs met. And what we're seeing right now, especially among older adults and people that maybe live on a fixed income, is the housing crisis is a ripple effect, and it's putting people in vulnerable situations. It's displacing people. The cost of living has drastically increased, especially, and we see that in Palm Beach County. It's incredibly difficult to find affordable housing.
That's where the Zero Suicide Initiative is hoping to prompt change through education. One of the biggest lessons is for people to spot the warning signs so you can get someone help. The nonprofit uses something known as the QPR method. It stands for question, persuade, and refer someone to help. Finally, there are some things you should be looking out for. Check in on people who are talking about wanting to die or feeling empty or hopeless. People who are anxious, sad, or they're constantly changing their behavior. People who are withdrawing, starting to use drugs or alcohol or taking dangerous risks. Also check in on those who may not have a good support system or might be going through a hardship such as job loss or divorce. Now, the Hanley Foundation has extensive resources for anyone in crisis. If they cannot help you directly, they will find an organization that will meet your needs. It's also so important to know you are not alone. If you need help right away, you can call the Suicide and Crisis Lifeline at 988 anytime 24/7. You can also text home to 741-741 to chat with the trained counselor who can help you. Back to you.